In this tutorial, let's see a quick path to create RDS SQL Server instance with read-only instance on Alibaba Cloud using a single Terraform script. Please scan the code to get the full Terraform script of this tutorial. RDS SQL Server high availability instance includes a primary and a secondary replica. And to handle the more heavy read workload, you can create one or more read-only replicas as a read-only instance. There will be two database connection strings, one for primary connection, which interact with the primary instance for both read and write request. Another one for read-only connection, which interact with the read-only instance for read-only request. If you look at the script, you will see the cloud resources like ECS, RDS SQL Server primary and read-only instances are clearly declared and very simple. Now, let's see how this quick path works. Alright, this quick path with Terraform script has successfully created an RDS SQL Server cluster with primary instance and a read-only instance. It is far more efficient than the manual operation on Cloud Web Console. Do not hesitate to have a try yourself. Thank you, and please visit the GitHub and YouTube channel for more resources. Stay tuned and see you next time.